Kublai phi baro shakathup Khuborjylla ka Donbosco Media Network. Imat ki bakong san menta kasngi kilong. An ai tulop bathamai ka sarkar ye kinong hikai school SSA shwa ka Christmas. Linyar ki kontraktor bampelat ya ka bil JJM hadu menta. Penrem ki Samla VPP ya ka jing Khubor ka SMB. Ban mi yau ka thuk Yamaha bathamai hanong po. Bat menta nginya pai ki Khubor ki bakam mania. Ki nongyalam ka Meghalaya SSA School Association MSSASA haka jinyalam uba Aristotle Rambai President haka arpu nyau tarik Naiwieng arhajar arpusan kalalet banya kendo yo ba lakman rumbui menteri badai khmi ya katanat puli puthi ke sarkar Jylla kum ke jingbut dien halor ki mat jingdawa ka association. Habakran syakilat pathai Khubor uba Aristotle Rambai ulaong. Kumba ke sarkar kalau kular ban pentrekam deka pay structure bathamai nak bentai kinong hikai SSA habaro kawe ke Jylla Meghalaya menteri ulaong baka kam kala yat shat bat en pentrekam no yaka haswa ka Christmas. Nalor kata ulaong ru hakabaya deipat bat kajing hab banto examen TET kinong hikai menteri ulayathu Hakitayaw banwan unsalet hi shenong ba Delhi banyakran halor kani kakam.
Mentakasngi nakalian jongi ka Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body. Ngidon ka meeting bad i Honorable Education Minister sa Lakman Rumbui. Kabanongkong nakalian jongi ka association ngi ai khublei ya ka government. Kamtam hakabayday bad ka approval kabana kaliang jong ka kabinet kabala long ha ka ap kondai trik jong nai Oktober jong mata usnem kala approve nak menta pan rationalize yigini ki SSA school habaro kawe Jylla tingi hi nakaliang jong association ngi ai khublei ya ka government and also your honorable chief minister sar kondat ke sangma ya ka education department hi baro kawe kamtam ro ye i Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakman Rumbui. That is number one. Number two, kabahakan ni ka meeting mentakas ngi follow up ye kitu ki pending issues ki jongi ki bana kaliang jong ka government kala ai ya ka commitment hak ini ki benai ki bala dep. Kita ki issues kilong kumne ke number one hakabai dei ban pentrekam ya ka pay structure na bentaki SSA teachers habaro kawe ka Jylla Meghalaya. Nakaliang jong i Honorable Education Minister ngisukumen ba ipentip hangi mentakasngi ba nakaliang jong ka department kala ya shat menta ban collect ya ki data hakabai dei bat ka service lani ka length of service jong kini kinong hikai SSA ki bahip hikai hapo state Meghalaya Borokawe pi balai ki hable ya kane ban shutpen kan mau hak tu meeting ke bangi likindo bat bala chair dai Honorable Chief Minister Isar Kondar ke sangma bala long kan trik jong nai Oktober hang tu ngila Shillong ya ka decision ba on pentrekam ya kanika pay structure da ka ba shimro ya ka sikio ya kanika ka length of service ka length of service te kanika year of service ka bangila don hak kam kum kino hika SSA dia ka ya ban collect ya ka data kena kaliang jong ka department kala dep instruct ya baro kini ki STSEO ban penbiang ya kini ka data bat ka kam kadang ya syait menta bat nakaliang jong i Honorable Education Minister ya pentip hangi ba ka government kalong very committed ba shwa jong ka Christmas kala ban announce ya ban pentrekam ya ka pay structure na menta kinong hikai SSA bat ka balong effective lo na do shitrik ubnai April arjar arkondriu kata di number one. Number two ka issue ka bangi kren menta kalong hakabai day bat kanika special TET kani kalong ba hadin kumba TV hadin ba ka Honorable Supreme Court hakashitrik jong ubnai September jong ta usnem kala pemi ya ka ruling ba baro ki in service teachers respective of the length of service ki haban pendep ya kanika teachers eligibility test te hakabai day bat kani ngila follow up menta kasni but nakaliang jongi Education Minister iya tu hangi ba hakabai day but kuno
Ki kontraktor ki badan haka syatri jangka All Jaintia Contractors and Suppliers Association haka arpoh nyau tarik Naiwieng kila penpau ka jing sngokhia halor ka jing bam pelat syu ka sorkar ya ka bil ka balakot syaka nyau spak klur tam ka badai na ka jing pentrei ya ka skim JJM nadu usnam arhajar khat khandai hadu menta arhajar arpusan. Haga jingkran syakilat pathai Khubor ha Shillong Press Club u Presiden jangka Association ba welcome langi ulaong ka jingbam pelat syuk ka sorkar ya ka bil jongki kalak tak bha ya barok ki kontraktor ki baladep ban pentrei ya ka kam skim sam umdi JJM ulaong wat hadin ba kiladep ban ya kendu ya u chief engineer jangka PHE ubala pentip baka tenat kampat yo ya ka fan bar ula pentip ru ba shen un salet Delhi bandit wat ya ka fan kenang ban yo pelat no ya ki bil jongki Henry kila ong ba kat hadu mentaru kimpat yo jubab lakane barkane kala pensa umdum yaki nakaliang ki kontraktor kila kenturu ya ka sorkar banale kat bala ban pelat no ya ki bil jongki lem kumta kim ban se ban ya da ka wei pat kelenti wat ban let shatengkong jong ka anyru
Akamblei press ngade president jongol jantia contractors supplier and unions jong menjuai west and Argentina takani ko pon gi wan na gani ga pon gi pon pau ye ge jing snow dia ha go ye ge nama to lai ilai indu ye ga government ye indu ye ga sultan na manda gi scheme JJM na baru ki contractor mo ki badan hak kasi jantia juni idan ha ge jing hiran jong ge jing toduk nama ba Samla ke bills jangki neduk Islam khat khandai arajar khat khandai haduk menta arajar al-Musan tiene que kadang iwan hagani Khubor man slow je government managali jo ikan kontraktor ikwa ko pulai na ite bil jo ikan kontraktor ni barang sa pending ta tiene que kadang i sekoeru ni snoba Hagisnem balaligno negaliang jong ke all jantia kontraktor negaliang jong ke all jantia ni penpa bijis no buram hakoi galiang government namara haga ajar pusan nadu nai April nadu nai March ki pulai ini kumba baru atli ki division naga AWS ki pulai kumba siklor khanyolak Hasajar news pak sam spa repulai kita dekat electrical division juai ke pulau nyolak sa nuclear siaga private rails praspa rusateka dekata ke jenis noban aku beli government dah agado menta badang snoba nagaliang jongi ki badan hapo khasi jantia hado mendang tip show naga gidau bagi break ya ganika bil jongi naga JJM scheme di agani Khubor ngasnoba di dan kamban kerpa di government bakin pelain no ya ka bil jongi namar laka na pending la bon li isna tenaga hagawai kali yang ro ngasnoba la wani kendu yaki chibin engineer la bon snap la do bon sen andre do menta kim ai ngi ke clearance ke ba chai yong na ngi yo kon do menta ti hagawai kali yang ngasnoba negaliang jong keseng jong ngi penpa ado menta ba kani ke pending Gamlong Shu.
Kinong yalam bat kidekot jangka seng Samla Voice of the People's Party VPP State Youth Wing. Kila persya abat penramjur halor kajing Thombor jangka Shillong Municipal Board SMB haka arboh rio tarik Naiwieng lengba kinong tray jangka ki balak kini yaki tiar kitar jang kilong kemi long kpa bat ki Samla ki bat terwa da ka bayat kejat keleng yakasya kadut ki so balaot ki waidong bat ki wei ki mar ki mata hasurok khandailan. Kinong tre ka Shillong Municipal Board kila ai daw da ka baong la mana bandi jingde hasurok khandailan. Haka por step kila kini ya ki kitlisha ki shangbu so bat ki wei ki mar ba kinong terwa ki pendon kam. Ya kini ki tiar la penpai no haka por janmit kabala pendu nong sngi ya kini kinong terwa jingba. Kani ka seng ki Samla VPP State Youth Wing kala penrem bat bitar halor ka jingle jong ki bor ba penya ya ke SMB. Ki Samla VPP kila penyeng nia da ka baong ladak sorkar ka ut bagi ni ki penwet ya ka yat ka yeng jong ki padba ka sorkaru ka de ban pensange no ya ka tem kaput ka ba ka penslur ya ka Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project MGMP ha khandailan namar kaniru ka kata ya ka yat ka yeng ki padba. Kumju ka sorkar ka de bante lakam ya ka yat ka yeng jong ki breu ki bariam isatmet ha ka por med ha khandailan namar ka penwit bat penthut ya ki padba ki bayat na ki surok jong ka ni ka jaka. Kini ki breu tang ba ki riam isatmet henrei ki penhiar dor bat kumju ya ka buram ka ijot jong ka Jylla baro ka wei laong ki Samla VPP. Kila kentui ki bor jong ka SMB bat ya ka sorkar hi baro ka wei ban pechwa ya ka jing ki badan hasau dong saukun jong ka khandailan ban let thombor ya ki ba kamai da ka hok ban pendap ya ki jinran kam hala ki yeng ki sam jong ki. Kadukan MSKK Auto Yamaha haka janmit arpun reu tarik Naiwieng kala pelat patba ya ka thuk bathamai Yamaha XSR 155 ha showroom jongka hanongpo. Kani ka thuk ka shongdor shilak sanpuwe hajar tengka X showroom price. Hakate ka janmit ladan lang urang ba shnong nongpo ba Sylvester Minsong ba Anthony Suchiang secretary ba Ferdinand Kharkamni president KSU ba Michael Karhunai proprietor uba Mebaris Kem Thaba showroom manager bat kiwe. Uba Mebaris Kem Thaba ula batai lingkot ya ki jinat ki bayadai bat kane ka thuk bathamai. Ulaya thoru kane ka thuk kade ka retro sport. Lapan wandur ya ka daki engineer na Japan halor ka jingmut petho ya ka barim ban penbha ya ka bathamai.
Dia nak kaliang ka Yamaha MSKK Auto Yamaha nampak ay ka jing play ya pinbar okay ya ki staff ki customer ki gas ki be pelang bangi barokai nak kaliang jungi ko ban pentem bangi la pelai ya kane ka bike thamai XSR 155cc but kendet batai sepang jong kana ka bike la design balawan penawan duri kane ka bike XSR da ka timeless style jong ka retro Yamaha metro motorcycle da ka pania so lam bat ka technology bat thamai bat performance ka ba kham janai kane ka bike ka ba apa ka kategori jong ka retro sport na panwandur kane motorcycle hakwe na ki Japanese company ka baong on ko chisin ka bamut study the all better land than you ka bamut pule ka barem banang ka kampen ba ya ka bathamai kane ka motorcycle ka represent yi rider ke ham sibet where we come from and the same time embrace where we are going in the machine for individual who believe in charting their own path who believe in bull your own way. Kayama XSR kadai ka 6% liquid cool engine but kadon ya ka TCS ka umur ka transaction control system assist but super clutch but kui pan lagi pentagi ba pangklan cusu ya ka performance ka kadon ru ya customer kits ka balapan kelas ya ka cave racer jongka scramble but pila banyo ya ka extreme price ka bande silak san kui hajar ya extreme price nak kaliang jungi ko pentip kata bagi instrumen ro bagi layo pan pelai ya kane ka bike XSR 125 ngadapi ko bantip bapin ko ban inquiry in sa kontak ini phone number apa bisa bis
Banang penklanshu ya ka jing trekam ka senjo kirang bakur ka bri nyautrap habayadei ba ka jing senjor ka kur ka jat khamtam ki jat ki kur khasi jantia ki ba shim jat na ka kemi. Hakini kisngi bamenta kala penlong ya kesenjuk banlet ya kendu ya Chief Executive Member jong ka KHEDC ba Winston Tony Lingdo Haka step arpuh nyo tarik Naiwieng hajar arpusan, banyak keren halor ki katu ni ki rukom terekam. Kawai na pedeng kita ki mat kalong, ban pan kamera haki HEDC, kenang ba, kum kesenjuk kan yo ban terekam kambha. Lekren ru halor ka PIL bala ujor daka singkong rempei temai SRT ki basim jat kepa, kabala long ka weipat kamat kabala tak mat yong ya kajat benriu kaba buram ya ki long kemi bat kaba shimjat naka kemi. Habakran syakilat pathai Khubor u presiden kesenjuk ba RL Kharpran ulaong. Halor ka PIL jong ka SRT nakaliang kesenjuk ru ka yat syakmat. Bat kani menta kadang yat hayeng bishar ka Meghalaya High Court hakaba kiladap bansong arteli ki hearing. Haki benai banwan kandang beteng ya ka hearing. Ulaong ru ukmi lenti naka KHEDC ban shim kia ya ka nikakam kamtam u CEM namar kumbalong ka KHEDC ka deka sti jingyada ya ka jaj benriu reulum ka ba shim jaj naka kemi.
Babun ke bentah ke badai baca ki kor ki jaj jadi pernet ikriti dustur hendak usiam bagi babun ke bentah abang pai hari ni si anak senjor ke puas puas layo bani tersibu ki agenda bagi kerman bahapa ke jelam tinggi batu ni ke museum bertemai bila execution ke kat executing long gam ki yai bay renti bat ni kerman bah kini ke CDC kalau pasti untuk review projek mulai ni kam-tam angka kor kerja ke tinggi ke bang iya kini si kelas senjor kata-kata but nilai keren lu hak bedai bat kiwai bagi pat kipang kiba kata amat yang ini si kam-tam ke bedai bat ka PIL dengan SRT ke baksim jaj nak kalian senang kini kalian jungi ke senjuk ngiyang ngistan hak lorim jaga matrilinear system banyak kalian mas kamu pok ngilam jing batu di lendo aku siang baca ke bro long positif bat kini jaj kuman kawai ketika PIL juga SRT kawangi ke muka senjuk nilai implit nilai hikmat one file ke high court but keba pada kenduk ya usiam nak kebanca ki kam po yang jengi kum senjuk ke bangila persang matang license sausen ban kamera hang ni kum senjuk dan kami kamera wan petrol ki kam ke bebun hang ke beri ku nyutrap jadi kalian jengi empat kenu ke comment sendiri indang isong ki isi bagi officer di council dari bikin kat kambri am takani kita try ngam dan sibun ban pencahaya bagi tangkap taswan memang dan pat kini kenduk hadin nang ni kai bami ngentang kenduk biang ya iba tu ni siam di banwan ba kam ngam kwa ban batai semang kata ka jangan jadi pa jugi ma kadal ka jong kajing perkat reina mangi ki bayang haknya hakan nong rim jaga material system jadi kini instan halu kam tan mala dek pas dan mensua pulang kuma ni ajat ke kami ke bebun bakha ke ba ai bun atiang instan rumentah hak tak nong bat nila file nila implit juga high court ban persya ingin ke PIL juga SRT ya ke jangan ajat cakpa kalau ke bamensau ya ke lawai ke future banwan kalau ke bamensau dah kata macam jad kat bamen lani kita soft style gitu ki kimpa bah ke bini tetap dia perlu ke tang sitro bagi mi kini ki babun ki bentah ki bahar jong pekat ajak kepa ajak kini ndangi stah ndo bentah ban ajat bat cak kini dak bagi oh tenawai matlendang society tang ya tang absin mentah dok mentah yang 4 yo ye kendon yang hearing lese ina kalian jungi ka sunjuk ni labo yo lawyer ban file ban implit but hadu mentah yang 4 yo ye ina high court ni kita ya cekmat dia si hari ni ban lagi benuan lese kendon yang hearing sa hearing ke ban sawan ni 4 yo tip ni dan sani au lawyer jungi yo bangila bu dan sunjuk dia ka syong ai but inilah jiro yo just ke tinggi bar for waji bain dan bin present hakan lu hearing hak ke high court khot ka disuk ka mentahi kadang ban kadon hi bangi nambah bagi custodian security itu store kendau siap bagi bentah baru agak
Menteri Sorkar ke Jylla ba lakmen rumbui ula penpau bat ai jingmut ya ka Sorkar Jylla bakan penheno ya ka song pisa na ka benta ban pentrekam ya ki MLA scheme kenang baki pat ba kin yo kambun ki kampen roi ha ka jingkran berkilat pathai Khubor u ba lakmen rumbui ula ong ka Sorkar kaladei ban penkiu no ya ka scheme MLA ki ba hadu menta kilong R.san klur tengka marway kenang bagi nong yo jing mentoi ru kin kambun leng ba kini ki scheme ki bawan na kinong mikmat jongki Uba lakmen shum ai jingmut hadu kat no ban penhe yaki scheme MLA.
Area what they are doing, but that is depend on the MLA concern. If the scheme which he is submitting, which is implementing, is within the guideline of the scheme for implementing of the MLA scheme. So I don't have to comment any. I didn't have any comment on that because it is not like you go and buy. Like me, if the personally there are some schemes which since 2023-24 many have been completed, some are in the process of implementation, and the same like that sometimes due to late submission of estimate, sometimes there are occasions where the estimate which have to be approved by the executive engineer DRDA due to a frequent transfer of engineers. In many districts, there are different EE executive engineer come at different point of time. But I'm very happy now that recently, because due to delay in this thing, they have taken the government have taken a decision that the deputy commissioner is at liberty to, whenever there is any vacant in the post of the EE of in the DRDA, he can utilize the service of any executive engineer in the district so that it could streamline the implementation of MLA scheme. So it is like that. But personally, if you tell that we not only need 2.5 crore, we need more. We need more to meet the needs of people, but accountability should be there because it's not the personal money of any MLA, it is the money from the government exchequer for the benefit of the people, for the benefit of his constituent. I'm not saying that he can give to all his constituent, but he will try to meet something as much as possible within the limit of that scheme.
Kinong yalam bat kidukot jangka seng kiriu shampang hakashet katiu Nutrition and Dietetics Association of Meghalaya NDAM. Kila rakhe kemen yakasngi sedang Foundation Day haka arpoh nyaw tarik Naiwieng hadin ba kila dep penrung kerteng kum kaseng trimon ngobha non-profit organization bat kasorkar Jylla. Katkum kajing batay kakong Mesharika Warjri, General Secretary jong kani kaseng, kalaong kajing tumu jong kani kakenhun, kalong banyak trelang bat kitu kibadon kti ban kentiu ya kakwet kakia jong kipad ba kamtam ya ki khelung bakin yo ya ka met kapat kabakwet bakia. Kalaong ru hakipor banwan ka NDAM kan sa penlong ki lumpung ajing hikai ban shet ban tiu hakipal ba knang bakum ka jat ban riu ki long din ki de ban long ki bakwet bakia krat ka met kapat bat ki jingmut jing perkhan.
Within the association, you can bargain even with the government, and it is very important that we have an association, and I do believe and I do hope that this association will go a long way, not just in giving its services to the people of the state. Yes, as I heard from you, the very purpose that you have this association, and as a dietitian or a nutrition, we have a very important role to play in our state, especially when it comes to our state. Sad to say that Meghalaya has a high rate of stunting among children below the age of 5 years. And this is something that we are not proud of. And I do believe that being in the midst of nutritionists and dietitian, maybe you can play a very important role, provided the government give you the space. That is very important. Provided the government give you the space and are willing to work together with you. And I do of Meghalaya or the government of India have come up with different schemes to fight against malnutrition and stunting. And I do believe that as nutritionists and dietitian, you will go a long way in improving our state and our society. And therefore, I won't have much to say. In fact, this is a memorable day for you. It is just the beginning. I know there are so many things that you have to undertake as an association. There are many things. I know while discussing with some of you, there are many issues concerning the nutritionists and dietitians in our state. But I think that this is the right way to the right direction. Through your association, you can improve the welfare and the well-being of your fellow nutritionists, and as an association, you could take up so many issues for the welfare of your organization and of your members, and at the same time, you will be able to contribute to the society through your profession. And I don't have much to say, but I would like to wish each and every one of you, and I would like to wish the Nutrition and Dietetics Association of Meghalaya the very best, starting from today. And in case, anytime, if you need my advice, whatever I can from my side, I will always be there to help you and to be part of whatever journey that you are going to take. So with these few words, I would like to end my.
Badagi tu ki Khubor nilapoi syakapakun, tak hadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.